Na Kareena, na Saif, na Sara. The real star of the household is little Taimur, who is the most sought after little celebrity for pictures by the paparazzi. But why has father Saif encouraged Taimur to be polite to the photographers and not make a big deal out of his fame? Saif opened up about having a pint-sized celebrity at home and how they approach the press, constantly looking to click Taimur's pictures. While Saif and Kareena are all set to welcome a brand new baby in March or April next year, they are still finding ways to manage the media attention on their firstborn. Speaking about this paparazzi frenzy, Saif said that ironically Taimur doesn't like being photographed even at home with his parents, but he realizes that with the press it's different. I think he's realized that there will be cameras in certain places. He has never enjoyed being photographed particularly, even by us at home. But he understands, he smiles and waves and he likes camera flashes, but it's just something he's always seen, so he doesn't think about it. While clicked outside their homes or at the airport is quite normal for celebrities, even 3-year-old ones, what worries Saif is the press following Taimur to his school, which makes him and Kareena quite tense. Saif says, it makes me a little tense. He gets that vibe, and when they would chase him to school, you worry. There's too much attention sometimes. It's sad, people don't let you be like a normal kid in Bombay. The star kid is a tag that just falls on you, whether you like it or not, and in fact, the answer is you don't want it, but what can you do? Shared Saif. However, the actor added that while he understands that the press is simply doing their job, he would ideally like his son to have a normal childhood and not be constantly under the paparazzi's gaze. They're doing their job, they are also getting paid. It's a lockdown situation, so in India, there's that complicated thing. I understand you're getting paid and I don't want to stop you getting rosy roti. But if you just give them that picture, just give them a smile and just move on. So the important thing is to tell Taimur, you must be polite and it's no big deal, and I think he's learnt that, shared Saif. While Taimur may be a star in the making, mommy Kareena was spotted by paparazzi today as she stepped out to meet her friends at Besto, Amrita Arora's house. After spending many months in lockdown, Kareena and Malaika Arora were both spotted with their masks on as they finally caught up after almost 5 months. We hope the family welcomes the new baby in a safer and hopefully happier 2021. And we can't wait to see what Taimur's little brother or sister looks like and see both the kids together.